Okay, now here's what this whole thing is all about. Okay, I've taken the Empowered Mindset Lab. Part of that is out of here. Okay, right there. That's the word prompts that I set up and I gave you. Downloaded it. All I had to do was go in and change the URLs here. Each one of these is different. All right. I changed them because those are the ones that are on Damon's site, but they're all related back to some of the same gamma, which is still in my gamma. Gamma sites in my gamma. All right, so I put all that in there, and then I ran it past Genspark. I put the Genspark in. Now I have all of this that was a build. It built it very nicely. It put all the information. It did exactly what I asked it to do. All right. Now we got radio buttons, check boxes, range slider, blah, blah, blah. All of that stuff is where it's supposed to be. And I told it exactly what I wanted: data persistence, visual design, so forth and so on. So we put all of that in, and at that point in time, I just simply created a page. Okay. Oh, and here we're going to look at it at a preview, and I open it up. Now, Genspark now has all of the basic information, and now a lot of the graphics are still in there, but some of them have changed, but they're still basically in there, as you can see. Then we have, quote unquote, all of the nice little buttons at the top. That brings up each one of the pages. You do the about. So I'm going to go back to the welcome, start your assessment, explore resources. That goes to this page, brings all of this information up. Go back to welcome, start your assessment. It goes to assessment right here. Then you can do save draft, reset all, achieve financial freedom, advancing my career. Each one of these is clickable. I've got check boxes. You can put as many check boxes in as you want. Okay, rate your current status, because see, then it gives you a number. That's what you're actually looking for. Rate your current satisfaction, growth, and describe. I want to be rich and happy. There's no sense in being rich if I'm just happy, just without being happy, because a lot of rich people kill themselves because they're not happy. That's how it works, right? Okay, you put that information in. You may have to edit a little bit. Paint a picture. Uh, Big house in South America, far, far away from America, with service and beach. See, that's what I want. See, that way you're filling all the information in, Mega. How many hours per week can you submit? I can do, it has, oh, look how nice that puts it in there. See? Complete assessment. voila, assessment completed successfully. Now here's the link to the ebooks. Each one of those are the ebooks. Okay, we can download free featured guide. You can change that. That's up to you. How you want it to be stated. And Damon Horbuckle will have to put his picture in there. Start assessment, browse ebooks. And it goes back up there so that you can download for free. And that's what happens. We got to just do some of the links. But overall, it's a good page. And it does what you asked, said that it should be able to do. Right?